driving a bicycle and you doesn't wear helmet, it is very dangerous. Wait, I have a helmet for you. You will get it, okay? Yep. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, you must remember. Thank you. You're welcome. You must remember that when you are driving a bicycle or a bike, you must wear a helmet. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, bye. Excuse me. Yes. Your bike. Look at your bike. आपकी बाइक तो बहुत ज़्यादा धुआं कर रही है. It is dangerous. Check it. Oh, my bike is so damaged. आपको पता है कि जब बाइक इतना ज़्यादा धुआं करती है तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा dangerous होता है. तो जब जो एयर होती है, एयर पोल्यूशन होती है, इससे तो जब हम सांस लेते हैं ना तो हमें सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो फ्रेंड्स मैं आपको कह रही हूँ कि जब भी आप किसी की भी बाइक इतना खराब हो तो उसको जल्दी से चेक करवाएं because it is very dangerous over health. Okay, so friends, okay, so excuse me, so you will check it, okay? Okay. Okay, bye. Bye. So friends, in this video we learn about the rules of bike and the bicycle. Okay, so friends, I hope you understood that you should check your bike and you should wear a helmet. Okay, so friends, do you like the video? Like, subscribe.